Hi guys, I'm teaching and sharing this basic lecture I learned from Purple, and also put this Purple set in the description below. In this video, I will explain the code I created on my assignment in this course, which is HTML lists and two types of lists from HTML. So I'm using Visual Studio Code, which is the IDE Integrated Development Environment, and also this lecture is part of their free course of front-end fundamentals. So we will continue with my code now. So in this one, we will focus on two types of lists in HTML, which is unordered list and ordered list. So this part is the unordered list. So this is the output of it, the ingredients one. So this is the ordered list, which is it's ordered step by step to help the viewers or user in their cooking. So the li means this item. So already put the note on here, and the syntax of note was in HTML was this dash dash. Then you can put anything here. So I learned many things on basics in this Purple site. Basic description of HTML, which is HTML was the skeleton of web page, and tags and elements, which is this UL are example of tags, and inside of it was the element, and doc type, which is here always, even in the output you can see it. Doc type means to inform the web page which if it's HTML or what. So the head tag, we don't have example in here, but I modified the title tag, which is the dish that I put on the assignment, which is this. So to emphasize also, you have to strong tag or p tag to make the text bold, which is this. But each one, I think it's already strong or bold. So that's all. Thanks guys.